So basically today, my lawyers filed a motion, and then we had a hearing on that motion. So the motion was on notice. So motion basically is the legal jargon for an application. So they file an application. The application is basically because we have filed an appeal against the decision of the High Court to throw the case out, simply because they said we were not able to provide the transcript of the court proceedings at the magistrate court. And that is the job of the court itself. So it's another part of the High Court transcribers. You just have to pay them and wait for them to get the transcript done. So they did the transcript because, you know, the case was before two magistrates. One is the High Court judge now, Sibi Jobate. So the part that was handwritten by Sibi had to be taken to Sibi when it is transcribed for Sibi to confirm it, that is the exact record of what is
local language.
Okay.
So thank you guys. I mean, we discussed this. Everybody is saying let's do it in local languages. Okay, ngata local language. Be kitio. Lafta mi follow along correct. Chairman Dabo be courtle. Janin ka do interview fongoto. Ngal ne ko ye case autonomy be no magistrate court and al tata high court. But the high court ya throw outlet. So be al multa back to court. Tell us situation or case nimbe tembe da jumalto be yente moment.
So case nying coming mbadunga mola remind a little bit about this case. So case Nyemengeta, and 3 years Lumena case banda in 2021. We came out of the High Court, Yamol arrest. They took us back to the police headquarters. You're in charge. The same charges you all fen and gotten. You 2 mirol milanka. If only 2 mirol mimbondenka, imurun de 2 mirol lanka. So nga interview in the interview, nga min Saturday, because min sarata ni min safeta fatata ndenga min sata wola transcript o bembul and woye min fo wola nyinde ko
nyin kukar
bar min fo ngata itol ka phrase min fo ko nga judiciary le bane ko nga jojo le bane ba ne ke ne nyin ajibe ndenga min fo ko ndol man tata la kito la nyin case la kodan because ini moyta kito la na lon ko ba boyndila aka case nyum withdraw after kamurun na ke kiten wo 2 mir kilman ko manda dala wala na diate yen samba dunia dawda ye ni lafta yen samba ila kangaroo court judge banendro for the world wo kangaroo court judge banendro sai konte ko gambian judiciary ngawle bane bayalo minkera kabirin kitio dada ngamen cross because Panderi freedom newspaper late Panderi le safe headline or konte ko Gambian judges all munyineti Gambian judges all fen banendir balda te wala safa konte wala fa ko Gambian. But in my speech niajibe kabrina beginning up to the ending dulati jentenga Gambian phrase from Gambian judges for that kole kangaroo god and mim wona rage beginning of the speech unko case nying ya samba jojo mi ya Gambian jojo nko bar wojojo tilindale amalla mo kan is an impartial judge wala yatna kabra aje ko be kul tilimbal yakan akoye mballa case foreclose la no be for no beginning
to kam te man Gambian jojo fa
be the same jojo the same wo fono la nyaade beginning ngana amro ngo jojo bane but it panderi nyol after to le menke video nying edit ye banendro ke before the judge banendro ke after the judge so mol kam wala judge banendro so itolko nga jojol le bane nga Gambian jojol be le bane ndata loyal la disciplinary fenkoto la because what of an the same dinner for that ba association ne case fenanje against me kondanga benchol le bane
wow
kabri ndata ngoy man bench bane ngoy sa Gambian jojol nga juma le bane joj tije men sa fa ngawla to use ngaw bane okula there is no place ngo Gambian jojol be dame so eko nga transcript bondi transcript nyin read and in freedom newspaper means are completely different. But it only a freedom newspaper target because you mental transcript nyin so sign kabring a transcript dila eko itella la transcript la for nga video nyum for a video beda nga video la link dila because it's on Facebook.
So
I said go through the transcript and then ye la moy video la word by word up to the end ni ba jala ko transcript on mistake tije and we have evidence police ol fangola kabiringa futata je police ol fango min safenu IG ka advise nu ka fay ko nyin case kuma tije because mimbe newspaper ani mim fota transcript o de fata
imankile
bari ajele ye ko be
police ol fango e wo folenu
a evidence bembul
wow
abembul police ol fangola internal writing noting kabo prosecution kata IG ka fay ko
minister feta ni ming for the video te manke
yes kai ko nyin there is no case in this alkana nyin vena so eminge kabirin kitio tata magistrate o mia ate police ol la fengo be sar because yalo ni evidence ni case fena in court it only video drone tender imam video la transcript nyin tender anu video nyi mandinga kan le be foka mandinga kan dum manke court la kan court la kan tuba kan so anyanda translate la so wo evidence video evidence drone bi jabe USB la kono USB la tender go video go la kono but imam transcript provide because nim transcript provider
obe ko
senendela so dole mem fo jojo wala ñindi ko ñuni man as long as man transcript ñim provide andi ka kuma kam min be fo dol ga wala ngamoy karale ngamoy ñina la we have no case to answer jojo na dar ko ako 2 miro men bankan womo contempt of court le nga judo na yale ti court la bar charger ti je memu judo na yade in fact mingera kaberin case nyin darira prosecution in seditional nara ning contempt of court so kaberin nara saying na loyal ko bar contempt of court judge ma wala contempt ja because contempt of court ni wala jojo le ko ikaw ke jojo le nyala nyatin wala e order pass so kabiri yo to realize ko nyin ngonda me ngode tate o bonde je ning ko public order offense nata well public order offense ko wolem section 7 de wolem nyinde ko niye kuma sangara ringo fo public place wasa menara min na de famo boucher famo kumo do wolem nyinde ko etol ko public place etol ko bari nga kuma kan nyum fo ila boss la office la kono so yana office man ga public place because public order act ya bonnina dan ko public place mo silo lekande aning space mi alon ko a open tale moment need mola permission ala pour ka je use so wala mo sila balti maybe football field of ninga e bunda so ini tamola fen ko le you cannot call it a public place so forest parkolu and order them wala public place so officer sako it fonla police commissioner officer that one cannot be a public place
okay
so wo charging wole na labang charge nyina wole ning sedition be tumiro kan jojo nying atamo oto jibira data contempt of court nyinga tani wole nata kamulla no case to answer submission no nyim bay so nga wole appeal so kabren appeal order the high court ko toni levang because ni data high court inyanta ka proceeding nyimbe transcribe be nyanta type lan because ni dara magistrate ko ka be safene bulol so bulla safero nying high court jojol bu ka karanno because magistrate in fact mim vongera
mo wa fansun safero
nin keda nyindondo magistrate fulale be nunje sibe jobate ani nyinga Tomasi
yes
so sibila safero Tomasi ka bu karanno
okay
so jojol min fanam be high court wol fanam be ka karanno
for sa transcribe
okay so nga e ka kudolo jo high court ye ta sibila clerk ya because no one sibika dogo gele over sibila word akamen safe oba understand so no way be safe then sibisina la safero jibe ana la trans ni yemen type aina jibe aina approve ko yes nyine mo ngamen safe ya so sibia ta safele bar kabiri bodo nyanta dala Thomas le fanaya même magistrate o sa pour fanaya ta safe
pour o fan transcribe
yes jannin ka bot Thomas ya high court jojo e case throw out ako ndolman transcript o nyimbonnina
oh so amanke on any other issue is just transcript o mana wala tina case you draw
mana night case you draw
so saya to le appeal leke
so no appeal now to the court of appeal So saying, Bairi, Nate Kai case Nim throw out the sign, case Ninyandamuruna back to magistrate court. So we had to go to the magistrate court to inform them ko case Jembe Court of Appeal the sign. So you cannot continue coming like when it was with the High Court.
Yeah.
Continuation of Manyana Kala Nyandam Batulefo, Court of Appeal Fana case Nyin determined.
Okay.
But this is the whole thing going in.
So who ruling to be High Cabrale Appeal Nike? What is the
so be Cabrin Dada police will go it only notice you received but at the moment it told they have nothing to say among any objections about it.
Yeah.
So it told not a call for orally. Tomasico no woman orally and in writing. So saying he has given them 7 days put in writing and respond to that. And then we go next Friday.
A ruling on that.
Then he makes a ruling on that.
Okay. Whether he will allow
he will allow it to go to the Court of Appeal or not.
Or not.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. I mean, so when this case happened, I made like covering 3 years.
2021 February.
2021 February. Mojamako, it came back during your Kabrikana chairman election.
Yes.
I mean, me, including me and so many other people thought it was a little politically motivated because why all of this while case Nimbelari for covering political commander wilted. Is that what you feel also?
No. It's not like what we feel, Fang. It is what is happening. It's all political. Kabrin CJ, they are all involved in the case. We know. Clarkson California CJ Kumandiro Kela case Nyanda before the judge. Kafo Jojo that this case Nyanta Bandala before this period, before court goes into recess. So they are involved in the case 100%. Dauda Jallo, CJ, we know that they are a lot more involved in the case. Bemimbe Kura William Yenduko, a big case ni stick no on us. And
the consequences of this case, Chairman, if you lose this case, the consequences are serious.
The consequences are that for William Nyanduko, they have to give me a fine.
The fine, right?
It has to be a fine.
Okay.
A fine of up to I think is up to.
Me power bank like a so nalka titit moy. Yalo ninko nyimbango Dr. Sise Konkanafo is a failed state. So I will not say if it's a failed state. But the Kabirin Suba for me.
Failed state is part of my memoir. People will read it because this will be a whole chapter on my memoir. How they try to basically make sure young convict. That's what this is all about.
Conviction. For somebody, a young politician like you, conviction or it will, let's say, destroy your political career. Because if you are convicted until your pardons are, right, you cannot run for office, right? Is that right? I don't know. Is that right?
It is, but there is a technicality about it because it has to relate to
corruption. Yeah.
If at Joe,
yes.
Yeah, is it Alaji Job and somebody for Lamin Fati? Yeah, Joe Kodibalaji. You see, I am waiting for the conviction. Then conviction will happen. I will make a huge lot of money because I am a politician.
Yeah.
And what that conviction based on Lua me alongo ekwasi afwe Lua ning dunia Lua la international convention of Manta. New conviction yalon you no can say this and that. Yeah. For me already 4 years I'm on the case.
On the case.
So 4 years when you I have to pay legal bills.
Yeah.
What legal bills sold for 4 years? You how much we are now at. Much more in I think it's in this. I don't think even the new constitution it affects that because new constitution it depends on sentence in the amendment. It will all depend on that. But yes, they can be doing it with that intention. That is the whole objective.
That's the objective.
Objective is we get him sentenced, we sentence him to prison, and then he has no chance of running anything in the country. For me, I'm not bothered about it.